Hi friends, welcome to English Simple Zone. मुझ पर एक एहसान करना. Do me a favor. Do me a favor. जल्दी करो. Hurry up. Hurry up. मुझे वापस कॉल करना. Call me back. Call me back. हार मत मानो. Don't give up. Don't give up. खुद पर नियंत्रण या संयम रखो. Control yourself. Control yourself. अब क्या? What now? What now? आगे क्या? What next? What next? आगे क्या करना है? What to do next? What to do next? कोई भी नहीं. Nobody. Nobody. कोई नहीं आया. Nobody came. Nobody came. कोई नहीं जानता. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. मेरे साथ आओ. Come with me. Come with me. हमारे साथ आओ. Come with us. Come with us. मेरी बात सुनो. Listen to me. Listen to me. मेरी बात सुनो मेरी जान. Listen to me my dear. Listen to me my dear. मैं बस पूछ रहा हूँ. I am just asking. I am just asking. मैं बस आ रहा हूँ. I am just coming. I am just coming. जैसा कि आप जानते हैं. As you know. As you know. जैसा आप चाहे. As you wish. As you wish. जैसा आपको पसंद. As you like. As you like. मेरी तरफ देखो. Look at me. Look at me. उसकी तरफ देखो. Look at her. Look at her. और look at him. Look at him. इधर देखो. Look here. Look here. यहाँ रुको. Stay here. Stay here. यहाँ मेरे साथ रुको. Stay here with me. Stay here with me. यहाँ आओ. Come here. Come here. वहाँ जाओ. Go there. Go there. मुझ पर एहसान मत करो. Don't favor me. Don't favor me. ढोंग मत करो. Don't pretend. Don't pretend. दरवाजे की कुंडी लगा दो. Latch the door. Latch the door. चलो चलते हैं. Let's go. Let's go. चलो बाहर चलते हैं. Let's go outside. Let's go outside. चलो पार्टी में चलते हैं. Let's go to the party. لیٹس گو ٹو دا پارٹی. میں تیار ہو رہا ہوں. I am getting ready. I am getting ready. مجھے دیر ہو رہی ہے. I am getting late. I am getting late. رکو. Wait. Wait. میرے لیے رکو یا میرا انتظار کرے. Wait for me. Wait for me. اپنی باری کا انتظار کرو. Wait for your turn. Wait for your turn. زور سے بولو. Speak aloud. Speak aloud. سمجھنے کی کوشش کرو. Try to understand. Try to understand. اس کی بھاوناؤں کو سمجھنے کی کوشش کرے. Try to understand her feelings. Try to understand her feelings. اسے واپس رکھو. Keep it back. Keep it back. اسے اپنے پاس رکھو. Keep it with you. Keep it with you. اسے نیچے رکھو. Keep it down. Keep it down. دور ہو جاؤ. Get away. Get away. مجھ سے دور ہو جاؤ. Get away from me. Get away from me. یہاں سے چلے جاؤ. Get out of here. Get out of here. میرے راستے سے ہٹ جاؤ. Get out of my way. Get out of my way. میرے سامنے سے ہٹ جاؤ. Get out of my face. Get out of my face. آج آپ ادھر کیسے؟ What brings you here today? What brings you here today? میں آس پاس تھا. I was around. I was around. کہاں تھے اتنے دنوں سے؟ Where have you been all these days? Where have you been all these days? تم اپنے آپ کو کیا سمجھتے ہو؟ What do you think of yourself? What do you think of yourself? کیا تم میری جاسوسی کر رہے ہو؟ Are you spying on me? Are you spying on me? تم میری جاسوسی کیوں کر رہے تھے؟ Why were you spying on me? Why were you spying on me? مجھے جواب چاہیے. I want an answer. I want an answer. تم کیا دیکھ رہے ہو؟ What are you looking at? What are you looking at? تم کیا ڈھونڈ رہے ہو؟ What are you looking for? What are you looking for? اس پر ایک نظر ڈالیے. Take a look at this or have a look at this. Take a look at this or have a look at this. یہ ایک اچھا بہانہ ہے. This is a good excuse. This is a good excuse. تم اس کے لائق ہو. You deserve it. You deserve it. میں زبان کا پکا ہوں. I am a man of words. I am a man of words. میرے لیے اچھا ہونے کا ناٹک مت کرو. Don't pretend to be nice to me. Don't pretend to be nice to me. کیا آپ مجھے ایک نشچت دن بتا سکتے ہیں؟ Can you tell me a certain day? Can you tell me a certain day? मुझे अपने झगड़े में शामिल मत करो. Don't involve me in your quarrel. Don't involve me in your quarrel. व्यापार में भावना के लिए कोई जगह नहीं है. There is no room for sentiment in business. There is no room for sentiment in business. अपने काम से काम रखो. Mind your own business. Mind your own business.